Gen AI is not going to replace the need for humans to have jobs and work. It's going to change the work they do and the skills they need to do it, and allow humans to focus on the more skilled, value-added, high-value work that needs to be done. A good example, if you think back to the Industrial Revolution and that steam replaced horsepower and all the work around that, it's the same thing with AI. And to use that analogy a bit more, is that it will create new jobs like steam did. It created ticket officers, it created all the things around railroads and building railroads. So Gen AI is going to evolve what we do and evolve the workforce. It's not going to completely replace it. It's just going to mean that we spend more time on high value items that make the difference.